I'm Craig Heiser with Cardinal Gates, and today we're going to demonstrate the installation of our XPandaGate. It's the model EX100. This is the gate for wide spans. You can really do and accommodate just about any length of room that you need to gate off. This opening here is 7'7". This is the gate right out of the box. You can do about 90 inches with it without any extensions. We always recommend to do a zigzag pattern, not a straight line, because that makes the gate much more stable. So again, the X100 out of the box, it's 29 inches tall. You can do about 90 inches of span with it. This is 7'7", so it comes out, and you simply fold it, unfold it, shall I say, to the area that you need, gated. There's my zigzag pattern, and it's very simple to put on the wall. And so if you come over here, I'll show you how that's done. So these are the two brackets that you need to install on your wall. There's an upper bracket that's fixed in place, and there's a lower one that can go up and down the bar. You want it as close to the floor as possible, but this allows you to get over baseboards. So like here, I would install it at that point right there. If you're installing into drywall, you'll want to use anchors, and they're supplied. If not, if you're installing into, say, wood trim, just use the screws. The other nice thing about this is we also give you two different types of brackets. These are different profiles. So if you're going into, say, a stud behind drywall or a narrow piece of trim, you would use this vertical one. And if you're going into a wide piece of trim, you can use the horizontal one. It's a little easier to get a screwdriver in, simply because this is can be a little awkward going against the bars. Once that's screwed into place and you've got your width set up the way you want it, you'll tighten each of these twists at the joints, and that'll fix the gate in place, and you're pretty much done. So there's really just 2 points on either side that need to be installed. And the way that the latch works, there's a pull release, and then you lift up, and you can open it in either direction. You can also keep it open if you want to, or let it just shut itself in place. If you need a longer span, what we'll do is you'd buy the 15-inch extensions, and you can add as many of these as you want. And here's how these are installed. It's very simple. There are pins in these brackets, one up, one down. You'll want to use a flathead screwdriver or something, because you push that in and then slide the plastic part out. So once this wall bracket's removed, you'll just add the extension to those plastic brackets, push on those push pins, pop it in place, and then this one that is on there, this is there in case you add yet another extension. You can keep going as long as you want. Again, to always angle though each time. But if you don't need this, or if this is the end, you would take, just like I showed you, these pins, pop this piece off, and then put the wall bracket on the end of the gate and secure it to your wall. So this is also a really good gate if you have wood-burning stoves, fireplaces, anything that you want to surround. Just pretend the box is the fireplace or wood-burning stove. You can gate that out. When you're working with these pins inside the tubing, if you push down, sometimes they'll get shoved into the tubing, which I've done right here. So if the pin gets stuck in the tube, you can use a pair of needle nose pliers, grab it, pull it out, and then put it back in. That's pretty much all there is to it. Thanks for watching.